Hello and welcome to you all. So in this video we are going to see one latest feature from the latest version of Odoo 20 regarding the e-commerce and inventory module. So in Odoo version 20, Odoo allows one latest feature which is called spontaneous return in inventory. So let's see how it works in Odoo version 20. So currently I am on Odoo version 20 database, and to activate that feature we have to jump on inventory module and another configuration settings. Under the operation we can find the allow spontaneous return configuration. So let's activate that feature. So I'll just activate that feature. So what it does, it will enable a return button on a portal site for the portal user, so that the portal user can raise a return request and generate the return label from the portal site. Of course, the Odoo will not generate any return record on the backend side, but for portal user they can just print the label and they can initiate their return request. Odoo will allow them a proper return address, return labels, and the return product and the reasons, so that the portal user or the customer can initiate their return. They can send their packet or return product to that particular return address and it will initiate their return easily. So let's see how it works. We can see the 14 days delivery configuration is there. So this is the time period. So after the delivery, within 14 days the portal user can initiate the return request, and after the 14 days it will not help them. So let's see how it works in Odoo. So for that, let's jump on a shop and purchase some product. So let me jump on a shop. So currently I am on a shop, and let's purchase one customizable desk. Let me add it to the cart and process the checkout. So I'll go with the standard delivery and paying the payment with a demo. So my order is now processing and it is sell order 89 and it is processed. So let's jump on orders and we can able to see our order 89. So currently we can see the order is processed, but the delivery is preparations, under the preparations. So let's validate the delivery, so we can able to see that return button on portal side. Currently it is not that. So let's validate that delivery. So let me jump on a backend. So I am on a backend side. So let's jump on a sales, and here is our sale order 89, and we just process the delivery. I'm just validating it. Now let's jump on a portal site and see the return label is visible over there. So currently I'm on a portal site. Let's just refresh the screen. So we can able to see the return button over here, and let's process the return. So now portal user can able to see the return button. So let's press the button. So we can able to select here our return product. Currently I have only one, so I'll just go with the one product. I select the return reason. Let's go, it's a damaged one, and we can just press the continue. So on a pressing of continue, Odoo will generate the return label with a return address, and they can able to give us that download return label button, so we can download that particular return label. So let's just download. So I just download that return label. So this is a return label. We can see the product warehouse, the return of warehouse 89. So this is our delivery. That's a barcode available, and this is the return address where we can send the parcel and we can initiate the return process. We have a return reason available, we just selected the damage, so it is the damage. We have the return barcode, the reason, and we have the product as well. So with this particular return label, the return user can initiate the return process, and for vendor side, vendor can easily scan this return label and they can create the return product in the backend. So this is a one nice feature we have, and of course we have the traceability. So let's jump on a sale order. So currently I am on a delivery, so let's jump on a sale order. So on a sale order we can see we have the traceability. We can able to see that's the return is processed with this particular product, and there's a return reason available. So we have a full traceability of returning. And on a portal side, of course Odoo will not generate the return on a backend, it will only generate the return label. But on a vendor side, on a backend, the receiver can able to easily scan that label and process that. They can create that return easily on a backend. So it will be helpful for them, and there's a quick process for using this functionality. So I hope guys you like this feature, and if you like this video, then please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.